Hi, these are the JBL Junior 320BT headphones specially designed for kids. These are also the successor to the pretty popular JR310BT that we've been using at home for many years, as well as that they're also the little brother to the larger JBL Junior 470NC. Review of those up the top and in the description. So what's new, and are the 320BT a good choice for you to put on your child's ears? Well, since you're probably a parent or something like that, you most likely don't have much time. So if you don't want to watch the whole video, just get these. The sound is good, the battery life is good, the parental controls options are good, so yeah, they're good. Alright, if you got another minute though, here is what's good in more detail and also what is new. Firstly, design-wise, these clearly reassembles the older version with the same paper-like ear cups material that I thought for sure would break in 2 days on the JR310BT. However, after about 4 years, these old buggers are actually still going strong. What did break though was the material in the head strap that also has got a paper-like feel to it. From what I can tell, the material is exactly the same in the 320BT, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see how good they hold up there. Otherwise, they are indeed a bit plasticky just like before, something that does, however, contribute to the light weight of only 122 grams. However, with some more rounded details in the design, these ones do feel a little bit better and more quality than their predecessor. The 320BT also has been fitted with a volume control on the right ear cup, something that the 310BT did not have. Other than that, the biggest changes are on the inside, where the 320BT is now compatible with JBL's normal headphones app, available for both Android and iPhone. Firstly, offering a ton of great parental controls, such as a 4-step max volume slider, the option to monitor for how long the headphones have been used, as well as an option to have them automatically turn off after a selected time, also with a personal time is up message if you want to do that, which is a fun addition. The app also makes it possible to see the current volume level, which is also a nice touch. As for the sound, that is still limited to a maximum of 85 decibel for protective purposes. It's actually surprisingly good. The best part here is that JBL is now also offering their normal excellent EQ in the app. In here you can select from a few different standard sound profiles and even create your completely own one would you want to do so. To get the best possible sound out of the headphones and also to increase the bass level, I strongly recommend at least flipping through the pre-created profiles here. For fit, the headphones sit nice and firmly and with not much clamping force, and I've gotten basically no complaints from my 5-year-old help tester regarding both fit and sound. Battery life has been upped from the 310BT's already decent 30 hours to a whole of 50 hours on a single charge with the 320BT. A 5-minute power up from a flat battery also offers 3 hours of listening time, which is great. Included in the box is a USB-C to USB-A cable, as well as a pretty decent quick start manual and a bunch of stickers to put wherever you want. If you're into accessories, the inside of the box also doubles as a tablet stand. Perhaps not super useful since it is rather bulky, but fun, I guess. The only thing I really miss here is the option to be able to plug a 3.5mm cable into the headphones for using them on non-Bluetooth devices or when the battery has gone flat. There is indeed a version of these headphones without Bluetooth available and a 3.5mm cable instead, but it would have been great to see a normal cord option as an addition even on these Bluetooth ones. Apart from that, both me and my tester don't really have much to complain about. The asking price of roughly $50 is also basically the same as the older version was being sold for, making these, apart from perhaps any really good sales on the old one, the version to pick up from now on. Alright, those are my thoughts on the JBL Junior 320BT. Please share any of your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!